Children, let us study next example. Question 5. Prove that rectangle is cyclic quadrilateral. Detailed explanation is given. I want you to study it by yourself. As it is a rectangle, all angles are of 90 degree. Each angle is 90. So you have to prove that it is a cyclic quadrilateral. Opposite angles have some 180. Go through the proof. Detailed steps are given. Do it by yourself. Question number 6. In given figure, altitudes YZ and XT and YZ altitudes intersect in point P. Prove that quadrilateral WZPT is cyclic and points X, Z, T, Y are concyclic. Prove this. Now it is given that YZ and WT, YZ perpendicular to WX and XT is perpendicular to WY. So this angle Z is 90 degree and angle T is also 90 degree. Add these two. What you have? Sum of angle WZY and angle WTX is 180. So sum of this 90 plus 90 is 180. So when opposite angles are supplementary, we can say that is quadrilateral WZPT is cyclic quadrilateral because opposite angles have some 180, that is supplementary. So first part proved that quadrilateral WZPT is cyclic because we have this angle 90, this angle 90. So opposite angles are supplementary. In quadrilateral, if two opposite angles here are supplementary, then sum of the remaining two is also 180. Okay. Now so observe second part. YZ is perpendicular to WX and XT is perpendicular to WY. So here angle XZY is 90 and angle XTY is also 90. So you have two congruent angles on the same side of line XY according to the definition we have seen. So on the same side of line XY we have these two congruent angles. So these points are concyclic. Which points? X, Z, T, Y are concyclic points. Okay. Your question number 7. In given figure, arc NS is 125 degrees, arc EF is 37 degrees. You have to find out measure of angle NMS. Now, you know the property. If two lines containing chords of a circle, intersect outside the circle in point M, measure of the angle between them is nothing but the difference of the measure of arcs intercepted by this angle. So arcs which are intercepted, arc NS and arc EF. So measure of angle NMS is equal to half measure of arc NS minus measure of arc EF. Substitute the values. Half of 125 degree minus 37 degree. So you have half of 88 degree, that is 44 degrees. So measure of angle NMS is 44 degree. Question number 8. In given figure, chord AC and chord DE intersect at point B. B is inside the circle. Angle ABE is 108 degrees. Measure of arc AE is 95 degrees. Find measure of arc DC. Right? Now you know that chords of the circle which are intersecting over here inside the circle in the interior. So measure of angle between them is half the sum of measures of arc intercepted by the angle opposite to it. So now measure of angle ABE is half measure of arc AE plus half measure of arc DC. Right? Half common. So you have measure arc AE plus measure of arc DC. Substitute the values. Measure of arc AE plus measure of arc DC. Measure of arc AE plus measure arc DC is equal to twice measure of angle ABE. Cross multiplication. Substitute the values. AE is given to be 95. Measure of arc DC is equal to twice measure of angle ABE, which is 108 degrees. Simplify this expression. You have measure of arc DC is 121 degrees.